Stop burning through credits without a system. I'm showing a cinematic workflow to lock in consistent characters, environments and props so you can have the results that you actually want. Plus, I'm giving you my core templates and prompts that I use to craft any story for free so you can have the exact system in place. Let's dive in. I will show you how you can actually create consistent assets. We're going to create consistent props, environments and characters. So first things first, I'll show you how to handle the props. Here are the templates I have created for this process. So, copy the prompt template and paste it into Claude. Claude is my LLM of choice for this one, but you can use the other LLMs like Dreamina or ChatGPT. Next, upload the prop, in this case weapon image you want to use. I'm using the Machete for this example. Once that is uploaded, press generate. This step will give us the full prompt needed to create our consistent prop sheet. We will use this output inside GPT Image 2, go into ChatGPT and select create an image. Select an aspect ratio of 16:9, copy your prompt and make sure to attach your original weapon image. Once the image is attached, simply press generate. While that is generating, I will show you the next step. Go back into Claude and we are going to use the second template. And this is the character template. Paste the template into the chat. After that, upload your character image and just press generate. This will do the exact same thing and give us the prompt we need. We will use this prompt to create a character sheet in GPT Image 2. Copy this prompt and go back into ChatGPT. Our weapon generation is done as you can see. So now paste the new character prompt. Attach your character reference image and press generate. Once those two are generating, we need our environment. So for the environment, we will do the exact same thing. Go back into Claude and find a template for the environment. I have all the prompts and templates linked in the description below. So here is the interior environment template, but today I will use the exterior template. Copy the exterior environment template and paste into Claude. If you noticed, at the very end of every prompt template, it says fill in the prompt using the attached image. This is why we're using an LLM like Claude. Every single template will be filled out once you attach the image and paste the prompt. You do not have to think about it much. The AI will fill the prompt based on the image we give it. Once the prompt is filled, just copy the text and then go back into ChatGPT and you will see that our character is generated with details. Attach your environment image and paste the prompt we just got from Claude. The next thing you want to do is send the prompt. Now we have our three assets ready. We have the prop, the character and the environment. Once this is done, go into Dreamina to use Seedance 2.0. Here is the whole prompt setup. To make this prompt, I simply ask Claude to create a fight scene. It is an iterative process where you tell the AI exactly what scenes you want. So I use the exact template from a creator named Ink, which I recommend, and it will be linked in the description below. The most important part here is to actually tag everything. Tag @arena, @cage, @katana, @jace, @machete, and so on. Go down the prompt and tag every single item. By doing it this way, the AI knows exactly what to track. It is much easier for you to manage the assets in this way instead of using default labels like image 1, image 2 or image 3. Once everything is tagged and ready, just press generate. And that wraps up the workflow. Grab the free templates and prompts in the description below. Consider subscribing for more advanced AI workflows and I'll see you in the next one.